Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today I'd like to show you how you can update your headshot across your command profiles, meaning it will also show on your command marketing as well as your KW agent or team site. There are two profiles within command we will update so that the branding will show consistently across all of your marketing when it comes to KW. The first stop is up here in the top right. Click your name and we're going to go to My Profile. I do want to take a quick second to say referrals profile may still show in your dropdown right here, but that is currently being phased out by KW, and you no longer need to go to that profile in order to update your referrals profile. When you update your My Profile, the information will also be reflected on your referrals profile for other agents to see. So click on My Profile. And right here under the About Me section that automatically comes up, click Edit. And at the top, you'll see Profile Photo, and you can go ahead and choose Image or Upload Image and choose your headshot from your device. And it should show updated automatically right here, and you can click Save Changes. It does help if your image is 360 by 360 pixels, and if you need any assistance uploading this headshot or even resizing your headshot to make it fit, you can definitely reach out to us here at SLM and we'll be happy to help with that. I'll share our email address with you at the end of the video. You can already see the preview updated right here, and that is saved. So now let's move on to our second profile. We'll click Command Home, your name again in the top right, and then Settings. From here, click Connect Settings and Marketing Profile. This is our second profile to update, and you can see right here at the top it says My Photo, and that's for your headshot. Click Upload, choose your headshot. You should see it update immediately. Now, it is important to say, again, 360 by 360 pixels, being a perfect square will actually help this display correctly. If it shows wonky right here, it will show wonky everywhere. So make sure that it is adjusted exactly how you would like it in this preview, and then scroll all the way to the bottom and click Save. Now, it may take up to 72 hours for this to be fully updated everywhere across your command profiles, appearing on your command marketing, and also on your KW agent site and your KW.com agent profile. But again, giving it about 72 hours, you should see that headshot updated everywhere. And you can see as we just refreshed our browser here, the headshot's already showing within our command. If you have any questions about this at all, again, need help with resizing, need us to go ahead and just upload your headshot for you, we'll be happy to do that. Just reach out to us via email. Our email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.